Start by going to designkit.org/methods. In this video, we're just going to have a little bit of a look around the IDEO website, and it's broken down into the phases of design process using design thinking. So the initial stage is inspiration, moving into ideation, and then implementation. So you can filter the methods, and one way that I recommend that you would do it is by questions. So we'll click on by question. And this is our starting point. So everything with the orange little tab above it refers to inspiration. And I'd recommend going to the how do I get started. So just to begin with, we need to work through these activities. And so you might begin with framing your design challenge. Clicking on that tile, it opens up a really detailed process that you can go through. And you work through these steps here. And you can also watch a very small video down here about framing a design challenge, those types of things. So once you're finished with that one, you go back and then you can create a project plan, build a team, and come up with some how might we statements. And then also looking at secondary research just to make sure that you are aware of any other research that you need in this initial stage.